Hey guys, it's Blackstone Betty. Today we're making one of everybody's old favorite. It's cream chip beef, or better known as S.O.S, or we're gonna call it Schmidt on a shingle, because I still have behind the camera Cooking with Schmidt here cooking with me today, and this is one of his favorites. It's one of my favorites. It's one of everybody's favorites. Let me show you how I make it my way. So the other day I saw a post made by Steven Schmidt with Cooking with the Schmidt, and he posted one of his favorites, which is also one of my favorites. We all love it. It's cream chip beef, or better known as S.O.S, which would be Save Our Stomachs or Same Old Stuff. Or when he posted it, I was like, why would you not call it Schmidt on a shingle? Because we all know there's another name for this dish. Schmidt is still here visiting.
And I want to know how Betty makes it on her Blackstone.
Well, let's do it. I've got all my ingredients set for this cream chip beef. We're using one of my favorite brands, Habersack. I've got some beautiful Amoroso Italian seeded bread. I've got my Blackstone 2 right side burners on high. We're gonna add our Dutch oven pot to this. You could use any shallow pot or pan, or even a throwaway tin. We're dropping down 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter and allow that to begin to melt. While that's melting, we're gonna get over to our 2 packages. Since I'm doubling this up for Schmidt, each package is 3 ounces. We're gonna remove this, slice it up. You could go small or large, however you wanna slice it. Get that into your melted butter and allow this to begin to gently fry. After it gets some good color, we're gonna add 8 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and allow this to cook about 60 to 90 seconds to remove that flour flavor. This is gonna help thicken up our milk. Our milk of choice today is whole milk. You can use anything from evaporated milk to 2% whole milk, or even heavy whipping cream. I'm trying to be good today, so we're going with just whole milk to save us a few calories. We've got a total of 4 cups of milk. We'll do 2 cups, slowly whisk that in, allow that to cook for about 30 seconds, and then slowly add our other 2 cups of milk. Give this a whisk. Don't forget about it. Don't go too far. Allow this to slowly cook and thicken as you're whisking. We're gonna season this up with our Blackstone SPG seasoning, salt, pepper, garlic. Mix that through and allow this to hang out, do its thing, and get nice and creamy. When it comes to cream chip beef, you could put this over anything your heart desires, from biscuits to rice to pasta even, but the classic would be some toast. And for me, I love Amoroso's Italian seeded bread. It's extra large, and the seeds bring another layer of flavor. Get that perfect golden brown toasty crunch. We're using none other than my favorite Duke's mayo, because it's got that twang. Before we go any further, let's jump back over to our cream chip beef and take a peek at this. Give it another mix. You can see how gorgeous and thick this is becoming. It's just about done, so I'm gonna turn off our heat all across the board on our Blackstone. With this residual heat, our cream chip beef will continue to stay warm and cook. We'll drop down our bread to toast nice and gently. Give it a flip. We're gonna dry toast this on the opposite side. And now it's time for my favorite, our drippy, dippy, sexy eggs, which we gotta move fast with since we cut this heat. Down goes some ghee, which help with that beautiful, sexy egg. We're using our Blackstone egg rings to make the perfect shaped eggs. These eggs are going to slowly and perfectly cook in that ghee on our residual heat. If for any reason you need extra heat, or if it's cold outside, just turn your Blackstone back on. Allow these to cook nice and slow. We're serving 2 per order. Those eggs are exactly how I like them. What do you think, Schmidt? Are these good for you?
I think they look phenomenal.
All right, let's get this plated up. Onto our plates go our nice toasted Amoroso Italian bread, a few or a lot of ladles of our creamy chip beef ladled all over the top of this. Top it off with those dippy, drippy, sexy eggs. And for me, I love adding some thinly sliced green onions for just a little bit of freshness, and of course a pop of color, because we all know in the Blackstone world, plating is everything for social media. A little sweetness with some strawberries served alongside. Time to dive into this. I love that salty, savory, creamy chip beef all over this Italian bread that's toasted up to perfection with those sesame seeds. I love the flavor. Those drippy, dippy, sexy eggs and a little pop of green onion. And now it's time to let Schmidt come try it. What do you think?
That right there is phenomenal. I really can't stop eating. I'm gonna visit more often because this is some good home cooking.
I am so glad that you came to visit, help me do some videos, and let me feed you one of your favorites. Now let's let everybody know where they can find you on social media.
I am actually on all platforms, Cooking with the Schmidt.
Cooking on his Blackstone. I hope you guys check him out. I hope you guys try this one and let us know what you think at home. Until next time, I'm Blackstone Betty. Don't forget to shop griddlenation.com, and I will see you guys in the next video.
What you making over there, Betty?
Just some Schmidt on a shingle.
This right here, this is good Schmidt. I might not be able to use that, but this is good stuff. That's what I've been craving.
Where they can find you on social media.
Should I do the bite in my mouth?